I want you to do something. Type your own name into Google right now and then add your city after it. Okay, I'll wait. If you're like most people, you just saw your home address, your phone number, maybe a list of your relatives, and possibly your age. All sitting on a data broker site you've never heard of, ready to be sold to anyone under the sun with a credit card. So today we're cutting through the noise on data removal services. The big names, what they actually do, what they charge, and which one I'd point people towards in 2026. Data brokers are companies that scrape your personal details from public records, apps you've signed up for, loyalty programs, at just about every corner of the internet. Then they package it up and sell it to marketers, to background check sites, to debt collectors, and even to scammers running phishing operations. Privacy Rights Clearinghouse, working with the EFF, has identified at least 750 unique data broker groups registered across the US. And that's only counting the ones that registered at all. Manually opting out of each of those one by one, that would take you weeks, and you'd have to do it again after every couple of months. Because these sites relist your data as fast as you can remove it. And that's the entire reason why data removal services exist in the first place. So if you're considering removing your data, which one should you actually pay for? Let's go through the top contenders. Before I get to the picks, here's what I'm actually weighing. 1, broker coverage. Not the marketing headline, but the actual number of brokers removed the day you actually sign up. 2, how the removals work. Fully automated versus human assisted. And whether they resubmit on a schedule as your data reappears. 3 is pricing honestly compared. Entry prices on annual billing, and what you actually get for that price. And 4, the guarantee. Whether you can test the service and get your money back if it doesn't actually deliver. With that in mind, here are the services worth talking about. Delete Me is a veteran. It's been around since 2010. It uses a mixture of automation and human reviewers, and it sends quarterly reports with screenshots. Individual standard runs about $10.75 a month on annual billing. The catch is that the headline broker number is a bit misleading, because a lot of the count includes brokers only handled through manually submitted custom reports. And next we have Aura, which is the everything in one option. Identity theft protection, credit monitoring, a VPN, password manager, antivirus, and data broker removal, all bundled together, which is about $12 a month for individuals on annual billing. If you don't already own those tools, then the bundle might make sense. But if you do, then you're paying twice. Then we have OneRep, which covers people search sites. Individual annual pricing turns out to be about $8.33 a month. It's US focused, has a clean dashboard, and now offers a pro tier that adds non-public data brokers. Worth noting though that there's no 30-day money-back guarantee, just a 5-day free trial. And OneRep's founder has an ownership stake in a people search site called Nader, one of the very kinds of services the site claims to remove you from. This was reported by Krebs-Owned Security in 2024, and the founder has since publicly acknowledged the ownership stake. So that's a call each buyer should make for themselves. Optory takes a tiered approach. Free scan tier, then core at $3.99 a month, extended at $14.99, and ultimate at $24.99. Now the ultimate plan covers 405 plus brokers directly, or 635 plus if you turn on their expanded reach feature. Extended and ultimate come with before and after screenshot reports, which is the real differentiator. Now Incogni, they start with auto removals and they don't stop there. It's removal engine requests and re-requests. Removal from over 420 plus data broker sites that publish your home address, phone number, and family connections, including people search sites, marketing brokers, and risk mitigation brokers. Standard is $7.99 a month, billed annually, and unlimited is $14.99 a month, billed annually. Now their unlimited plan adds their exposure scanner. Incogni searches broadly across the web, surfaces your exposures in one view, and you choose what gets removed in a click or two. It also comes with a monthly personal risk assessment, and that tells you which exposures actually matter. Now here's where each one actually wins. If you want the widest broker coverage automatically on day one, the lowest starting price, and you don't need bundled security tools, choose Incogni. If you specifically want manual, human-reviewed removals, with screenshots for peace of mind, and you don't mind paying more, Go for Delete Me or Optree Extended. If you don't own a VPN, a password manager, an antivirus, and you want them all in one subscription along with identity theft insurance, Aura could be a good fit. If you only care about people's search sites specifically, and the founder's history doesn't bother you, then OneRep works. Now, nothing on this list is perfect. Every service on the market will miss some brokers, especially the sketchy ones outside the mainstream US and EU markets. And no service will get your data 100% off the internet. What a good data removal service actually does is reduce your exposure. Fewer spam calls, fewer phishing emails, less of your personal details sitting on Google just one search away. That's the realistic outcome. And on that specific outcome, on that price point, Incogni is what I would recommend to a friend who's looking to remove their data from the internet. You can use the code Nader for 60% off Incogni's annual plan. That's Nader, Nader, for 60% off Incogni's annual plan. Or just click in the description down below. I've included the link there for you. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it and seeing the coverage for yourself. Your data is already out there, so the question is, are you going to let brokers keep profiting off it, or are you going to do something about it? My name's Nader, and we'll see you in the next video.